Live from CNN London, this is World Business Today.
Good evening. No end to the oil strike in Nigeria, no end to volatility in the oil market. 150,000 oil workers starting their 6th week of protests today. They want to see opposition leader Moshood Abiola, now behind bars, put into office as Nigerian president. The strike keeping the market on edge after a deal to free Mr. Abiola Friday fell apart. Brent North Sea crude for September delivery up 17 cents a barrel to $18.12. It had been up as much as 31 cents earlier in the session. The gain coming as the Middle East Economic Survey showed overall production dropped 330,000 barrels a day. Analysts expect that to worsen.
That figure's for July, which was when Nigeria was only affected by about 100,000 barrel a day cutback. Now, with the current conditions in Nigeria, the August figures should show more of like 300 or 400,000 cutback, as Shell has lost a lot of their production, and they're probably the biggest producer there.
James says the wild card is if oil producers grow weary after prolonged strike action and try to bring back essential workers to boost production. The market is building in the worst-case scenario right now, that is that general workers will rejoin oil workers back on picket lines. Their one-day strike Thursday pushed crude above $19 a barrel for the first time in 15 months. Joining me to discuss the next move by Nigerian workers is Adams Oshomole. He's Deputy President of the Nigerian Labor Congress, and he's on the phone from Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome back to the program.
Thank you.
First off, let's start with the move of the workers. What do you think is going to be the next move? We expected a vote today, which didn't come, and that's going to come Wednesday. But what is the mood of the overall Labor Congress right now? Do you think they'll take general strike action?
Yes, I think right now work cannot rule out any particular option. Generally, workers are very disappointed. We thought the government was honest in its agreement with us, and having discovered that the government did not do exactly what we asked for, generally people are disappointed, and I am very certain that should the government for any reason fail to deliver on its promise to grant Chief Abiola unconditional release, I am sure that there exists a strong possibility of this action be resumed.
Okay, you'd mentioned that the military government did not live up to its promise. What was the promise Friday that didn't match up to your expectations?
No, before we suspended the strike, we had a meeting with them that was on Tuesday. And at that meeting, they agreed with us in principle